Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. Today in this video we'll see the one use case, that is how to get top n number of records from the data table. So let's see the use case. So let's go to the UI path. So here I have already created a program for time saving. So I will describe the program, then I will run the program and show you the output. So firstly, you can see here I'm using the sequence. In the sequence I'm using the build data table. So in the previous video I have already described how to use build data table and the output data table, assign activity and the message box activity. So here uh, in the build data table I have taken some data like a name, country and employee. So here multiple of data like there here 6 row of data available in this data table. Okay, so I wanted to print gates data, top three rows in the data table. So then we need to do one thing. So firstly, so here the data table name is a dt simple. So you can see here I have created another variable, that is the dt modified, dt modified variable, and in this variable I am here writing the uh, code is dt sample dot as numeric as numerable dot take 3 dot copy to data table. It means here you can see. So here I am taking the 3 row only. So if you want to like 5 top rows, so you can write here the 5. But here I am 1 to 3 top row in the data table. So that's why I'm writing the 3. So whatever you want, you row in the data from data table. So you can write here. And the copy data tables means uh, that values copy and write in the another data table, that is a dt modified data table. So this is a expression. So using here, so using this expression we have got the 3 top data rows from the data table. So after that I am using here the output data table activity. Using this activity, uh, I already describe this activity. So in this activity what happening, so actually here data table converting in a string. So here is the dt modified, this is the data table. So data table cannot print at directly. So here I'm using the output data table, and then I'm providing here, you can see dt dot modified, and the output takes a string value is storing the sample data. Okay, and after that I'm using the message box for printing the sample data. So this is a code. So now we can run this code and see the output. So you can see here uh, name, country, employee id. This is the header, and top 3 value is coming Raju, India, and the 3. This is a employee id. John, UK 2. Soyab, India, employee id 3. So this is the data. So if you want to get the if you want to only get the one row, so you can write here the only one. Then we'll see the again. So you can see here one row is coming only. So I hope you understand this use case. If you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the next video.